welcome to the ASTRO Python tutorial. So in this tutorial you are going to learn that how to create QR code for any text or for any link. So let's do it. Okay, so first we need to install QR code package. So for installing, just type command pip install QR code and run it. So let's wait for some time, and you can see in my system that it is already installed, so requirement already satisfied. So in our system, if it is not installed, then it can take some time. Okay, now how to make QR code from any text or any link. Okay, so first import library. So import QR code as QR, and then you can give your say text, and then you can type QR dot make, and or text you can write like this. Suppose you want to write hello Python. Now give it a image variable image and type QR dot make equal to text. Now run it. Okay, so here you can see that there is a QR code for hello Python text. Same thing you can do for the link if you want. So you can give a link here, and link can be, so just comment it, and link can be my YouTube channel. So and just paste here, and just type here link. Now you can see that there is another QR code for the link. So this way you can create QR code for any link or any text word. Now how to customize QR code. So customizing basically QR code means like how you can change the color, the background, the border, and the fill color etc. You can change it, and also change the size of the QR code. Okay, so let's do it. So for that you can do you can give your say my data, yeah. So your data equal to, you can give any say, you can give hello welcome here. Okay, so it's a text. Now you can give properties to this QR code. So properties you can give, so you can give QR dot QR code, and then see what it will take. So it will take this keywords like box size. So I'm just putting this things. And paste it. So version I can give 1, and those things. Now what else you can do, you can then give prop properties dot add underscore data, and then you can give your data. Now you can give, say, image1 equal to prop dot make underscore image, and then you can give your so this will take, say, fill equal to green, so it will fill with green color, and then you can give your background color. So black underscore color equal to, say, red. Now run it. So type here image1, run it. So here you can see that here your plot has been customized QR code. So you can see that version error correction 0. So let's make it 3 like that. So for box size you can change 5. So its size is decreasing, and border, so make it 10. So you can see that there is like red space is increasing. So version 2. So this way you can make changes in your customized QR code. So I hope you got the idea that how to change these things. You can also change the color. You can make it cyan. So this is cyan. This you can give it red. So this way you can customize it. So thank you, and I hope you got the idea that how to make QR code for a text or any link, or how to customize it, means how to change its box size, border, and how to give background color. So thank you.